Update index after sorting data frame. Take the following data frame. I need to sort it by X first, and only second by Y. How can I change the index such that it is ascending again? I.e., how do I get this? I have tried the following. Unfortunately, it doesn't change the index at all.
You can reset the index using reset_index to get back a default index of 0, 1, 2, and 1, and use drop equals true to indicate you want to drop the existing index instead of adding it as an additional column to your data frame.
Since pandas 1.0.0df.sort_values has a new parameter ignore_index which does exactly what you need.
df.sort is deprecated. Use df.sort_values ... this URL. Then follow your answer by doing df.reset_index drop equals true.
The following works. If you want to change the existing data frame itself, you may directly use else. If you don't want to change the existing data frame but want to store the sorted data frame into another variable separately, you may use
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.